Good morning everyone, welcome to my last day in Tokyo. So last night I couldn't really sleep because I got a text from my cousin and she was like, you have to go to Shibuya because they have like a vending machine made out of ice. And I was like, whoa, I gotta see this. Like they're only showing it today, and yeah, they're only showing it yesterday and today, so I have to see it. Right now it's a very crowded hour, so I don't know what to do. I got my backpack on and everything. I'm so tired already.
Left side will open. Please watch your step when you leave the train.
I've never been to this side of Shibuya station before, but luckily, you know what, they even put a sign on it. 90 meters that way? Oh, that way, yep. Found it, it's over there, finally. Look who I've got here. It's the dog. It's quite big actually. It looks totally different from what I was expected. But anyway, even the crosswalk, like at night it looks more beautiful than in daytime, because daytime is just plain like building with mirror, right? So the next stop that I am going to is the vending machine. I'm trying to find it. I found it, it's over there. Oh, thank God for that. You know what ice does? It melts. So to combat this heat, I think they're trying to redo it every day. They literally fixing it right now. So they put ice, they have like an ice truck next to it, and they transfer ice blocks to that one and then stack them all together to make into like a vending machine. And you cannot tell on the screen, but if you're here in person like me, you can literally see the water running down from top to the bottom. Unfortunately, they are not open yet and I have to go, but I am satisfied from just seeing it. It looks so beautiful. I didn't even know this existed, and my cousin, like last night, she was like at 1 AM, she texted me, oh, you're still in Tokyo, right? You have to come here. They're only showing it like today, and it was like, oh my god, I don't want to miss it. So I came here really early in the morning. I beat the rush hour. Currently it's like 8:10. The rush hour start at 9, so that's good. Whoa, they're shaving the ice. They are making the machine, they are shaping the ice, literally as we speak. Anyway, I have to go now. I think the main reason that they do this kind of promotion is to introduce the new type of Coke, the clear Coke, to the mass public. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys real quick. 1, 2, 3. Dun dun dun! AAA! Attack all around. I used to do reaction to J-pop, and this is like one of my favorite groups, and maybe one of my favorite co-ed group of all time. They are fun to watch actually. All their songs are fun. Even the ballad ones really good as well. I am still here in Shibuya area, but I decided to get my breakfast first. I still have to pick up my sister, which takes me around 30 minutes from Shibuya station to Hakusan station, like on the other side of the city, pretty much up north. Currently it is 5 minutes to 9. Wait. I got some stuff, I got some energy drink for the entire day. Because we don't know where to go, so I bought that. I mean, like, just in case. And I got a rice bowl. for breakfast.
So how to open it is easy, just tear it out. 1, 2, 3. I normally keep this last, but yeah, you can take it out at the same time when you got a good rice triangle.
Back for another journey, going on somewhere again. I hope I'm not gonna miss my train. I can feel the wind blowing. Look at my hair. So normally I can just catch the meter line, which is the blue line, and go straight to Hakusan station. But I want to save money. I save around 110 yen by walking from here. The station was called Hongomagomi station. So I save around 100 yen by walking from there. It's good for exercise as well. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Oh, today is beautiful, sunny, hot. So I just picked my sister up. She's right over there behind me, behind the camera. Thank you very much, Theodore, for letting her stay here. I will send you the link of this video, and I'm so grateful to have you walking us around in Tokyo and showing us around where to eat, where to go and stuff. Thank you. And yeah, we are going to Shinjuku right now, and the car behind me is coming. And yeah. We have arrived at the Shinjuku train station. Our bus station is at the other place. We have found this locker. It costs 500 yen to do so. And the other one is just over there. It costs 800 yen, but it's bigger. So we decided to go with this one. It's still good. We can like stack them all up. We have 2 duffel bags, and I'm so tired.
Please put the baggage in the box. The door to close. Please start checking procedures. Following the instructions. You will need the receipt to take out your baggage. Please be sure to take the receipt. Thank you for using.
So that's it. We paid 500 yen, and this is our locker. So let's go shopping. So while searching for a place to go, my sister pointed out that, oh, the Godzilla head, and yeah, so I forgot that they have a Godzilla statue near Shinjuku, and I don't know if you could hear, like the train is right above our head. Look, we finally found the Godzilla. It's head over there. I have to go to the other side to see the full thing, but yeah, we found it, yes. It's 11:30 at the moment, and we've been trying to shop some luxurious stuff. Pretty much window shopping the whole time. And still walking around. There are a lot of shops here.